Good morning, North Carolina Prepper here. Had to redo this video because I did not hit record before, so there you go. Take a soda bottle and cut it in half, or cut the top out for your disposable camp coffee whatever maker. I see a lot of people spending money on these camp coffee makers when you could just pack in your own disposable one and when you're done turn it into a minnow trap. But here's how you do it. You take your coffee, set that there, set a filter in there. Now with these brands of coffee I'm using, they're from the hotel, you don't really need any of the filter. But basically you'll turn this an eighth of a turn to let it brew through and drip. It'll take a while, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and put this in there. And of course I didn't bring any scissors. Oh wait, never mind. There's that. So I could just put their filter pack in there, but I'm not gonna for right now because I'm not doing that. And I always rate 2 coffees because I don't know, I like coffee stronger. Like I said, you could just put the filter packs in there if you wanted, but like I said, I'm not gonna. So let me go ahead and pour in my hot water. So hot. And try not to spill too much of it, but I probably will. Try to get all the coffee in there. No, I'll just wait on that. I may have to pour it through twice depending on how the coffee comes out. Yeah, it's coming out a little weak, so I'll have to pour it through twice. That's okay though. We could do that. Thrust that out of there. See how that came out a little weak? Okay, let's get that in there. Looking good. Oop. We almost went over the top of the filter. And I didn't open the bottom up. And may even do it a third time, I don't know. See, it just trickles out. You can slow that down for stronger brew. I just do it twice to make life easier. In fact, let's do it a third time. Let's let it go full bore this time, so we don't have to wait forever. I'll put that away. Okay, there you go. DIY coffee thing. Generally 2 times enough. I put a little extra in there, and it slowed it down a lot. The filter kind of clogged at the bottom, but there you go. A good fresh cup of coffee. Alright, North Carolina Prepper. Please rate and subscribe. Thank you.